Hello everyone, welcome to part 62 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the product filters, and in this video, in this part, we are going to work on the color filter that we are going to refresh the products via Ajax. Okay, so let's start working on the color filter. In the last part, we have seen that we able to do the sort by filters, in which we can sort the products via many of these filters, like lowest price, highest price, latest items, best selling, featured item, discounted items. Like if I will select the lowest item, then you can see the page will not refresh, only the products will refresh via Ajax. And here you can see the sort equal to lowest price. Here the products are sorted, see lowest product are starting at the front. So if I will select the highest price, you can see the highest price products are coming earlier. Okay, this latest item, we can able to show the latest items at earlier. Okay, and the best selling, the products that are the best seller will be shown, and in featured items only the products that are featured items will be shown, and the discounted items only the discounted items products will be shown. Okay, so now we are going to work on the color. Okay, so we are going to work on the color filter in this part. Okay, so let's start working on this one. But first of all, we are going to remove this rating filter that is not required, that is not the part of the series. Okay, so I'm going to open the project now in Sublime. Okay, so first I'm going to open the filters.blade.php file. I'm going to remove those rating filters that are not required. So now we are going to work on the color filter. So these are the instructions that you can check under the video description. Okay, so we will follow these instructions. First, we are going to create the model, ProductsFilter Model, in which we are going to create the function for every filter. Okay, so this one we are going to create this model for our project, that is the project 11. You can see the model has been created. Now let's see. Okay, so now we are going to create the getColors function in this model, in this ProductsFilter model that we have just created. I'm going to open ProductsFilter model, and here I'm going to create this getColors function. See, here we are passing the category IDs as well. It means that we are going to show the colors of the current category of the products that belongs to the current category, like t-shirts. Okay, so we are going to check, like if there are 5 t-shirts here, one is red, one is blue, one is green, one is yellow. So only these 4 colors, like I have told, only these 4 colors we are going to show at the left side bar. So these color filters are dynamic, that are based on the products that we are showing here. Okay, because there is no meaning of showing the other colors. Okay, that does not have any product. Okay, so we are going to show the colors dynamically. So for that, we will just return the category IDs for which the products belong. Okay, so these categories IDs we are going to add in the query, from which we are going to fetch the products that belongs to those categories. So these colors we will send here, and where we will show the those colors in the for each loop. So next step is to modify this div in filters.blade file, where we are showing all colors that are located in the products. Okay, that we are going to show in the for each loop. Okay, so I'm going to open here the color. So this is the div. I'm going to replace this div with this one, and now we are going to check. Now see, we are I'm going to remove, I'm going to make it here, and there are 2 products right now, so there must be 2 colors, red as well as the blue. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to refresh here, and we'll see if only 2 colors will come. Okay, so we are required to include the ProductsFilter class that we have not included so far. So I'm going to open the product controller at front and will include this ProductsFilter class, this model that we have created. Okay, so I'm going to refresh once again. Okay, so still it is showing. I think it is required at some other page. Okay, so it is not required here, it is required in the filters blade file. Okay, so because we are using we are calling the getColors function from the product filter, so this model is required at the top. So we are going to add this model here at the top of the filters blade file. So we are going to refresh once again. Now it's fine, and we are going to see the colors. Now see, only the two colors are coming. Okay, so the colors are shown here dynamically of the products that are coming here in this page, and these products belong to the particular category like t-shirts. Okay, so like if I will open some other category like electronics, then the colors will not come at all. Here you can see there are no colors because there are no products. So if there are no products, then no color will be shown. So the colors will come dynamically that based on the products of the page. Okay, so once again I will open the t-shirts, and here I am showing you that there are two colors for which the products already open. Okay, like if the user select the red, then we are going to show the red colors only. Out of many colors we are going to show the red. If user select both the red as well as blue, if user check both the red as well as the blue, then we are going to show both the colors of red and blue. So it depends upon the what users check. Okay, so here I'm going to modify this listing function. Here we are going to add this condition for the color filter. So like we have added for the product sorting, and now we are going to add for the color filter. So I'm going to check now that it will work or not. I'm going to refresh here, and then we are going to test. Okay, so first I'm going to select the blue, just check the blue. So only the blue t-shirt will come, and here you can see the only the blue t-shirt is coming now. Now if I will check the both blue as well as the red, and then you can see both the color of t-shirts are coming here. Okay, so it's working now. And one thing more we are required to do, like if we will refresh this page, then these chosen colors are not highlighted. Okay, so for that, for keep selecting those, now we are going to do one more thing here. One condition we are required to add, this one we are required to add in filters blade file. So this one I'm going to copy and will update where we are showing all the colors dynamically here after for each loop. Yeah, after this one we are going to add this. Okay, so that we can able to select, we can able to check the colors that are already checked by the user. Okay, even if the page refreshed. So here I have refreshed the page, but still these colors are not checked because this dollar color checked must come here as well. So now we're going to check once again. I'm going to refresh here, and you can see both are checked because here both colors we are selected, already selected. Okay, so if I will remove one, then it is removed. Now only red is there. I'm going to refresh it once again, and you can see only the red is highlighted. Okay, so our color filter is working fine, and it is working dynamically. Okay, so in the next part we are going to work on the sizes filter as well. So please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.